Ayan guys. After the recognition, McDonald's. Ito na yung plate list dito. So yun yung fish, rice. Ayan ba? That's crazy.
Pili mo na yung naman.
May nalaman may nagsipit malaga. Mahal ko ni. Pinagkaniyan nila 30,000 ito.
Ayan guys, so let's go check our beans. And I saw earlier, looks like the chickens already picked the beans for me. Some of it. Ayan, but we'll see. And these chickens always escaped. Ayan. They found a way in here again. And sometimes Lola does this. Why? No. And guys, so some of the beans are on the ground and they're being attacked with bugs. See? Worms. I'll pick them now before chickens and all that get it. See from there, asa na yung kanina, meron akong nakita, binali nila. And I push it back here, but it's not here no more. Kinain na siguro ng tuluyan. Ayun ang hagdan. Pero hindi pa yan ready dahil maliit pa. It's going to be a very long beans. Maybe. Ay, ayun pala oh. Ayan oh. Pinutol na nila oh. From there. Oh. Ayan. Kunin ko na. And I'm going to walk to the watermelon. See, it's really a watermelon. Looks like a watermelon. But, yep. And so I have a whole lot of tawag dito, saluyot. See? And here's the watermelon. I'm not sure watermelon, but I just assume it looks like it. What do you guys think? See? Or it's going to be a rock melon. Ang melon ba? Melon. And so, and I have one eggplant right here that showed up talaga. See, that's it. I don't see anything. This looks like one eggplant. I'm not sure, but there's more over here. Aray ko. Huh? I think that is an eggplant. But yeah, we go check on the ampalaya. And my basil over here is growing good. Yay! I love basil on soups and on pasta. Basil's and pasta. And yeah, here's the ampalaya, you guys. Yun lang sa dilig. Let's see. I go in the house first. I said I don't want to water the plants because I wasn't feeling that great. But I think I need to come out and water them. The sun is coming.